Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can add timestamps to your YouTube videos. So in here, you just need to open your YouTube videos that you want to edit, and then here click on the edit video options, or you can also go to the YouTube studio and edit your videos. So after that, here you'll be directed to the studio.youtube.com, and this is the video details. Here under the descriptions box, you can just add or edit it. So I'm going to use an emoji in here. For example, I'm going to add this time emoji and write timestamps. You can click on enter. Now you can just enter the time. So for example, at the start, starting with greeting, and after that, here for the next timestamps, I'm going to go to add the caption, adjust the photo duration. For example, I'm going to add one more in here, transition. Okay, after that you can hit on save at the top. Now let's open the video and see if the timestamp is there. So let's just scroll down. Okay, so as you guys can see here, this timeline is here. I'm going to click on it after this ads finish. Okay, so you can see it will create a chapter or a timestamp like this. So when I click on a certain timestamp, it will move into the chapter that I selected, which is in the seconds 34. So that's very much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.